queen, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is my little routine, guys. What I will do this morning. After that, you guys will see everything I will do today. Right now I'm trying to fix my bed, guys. You guys see my handsome baby boy. He is taking his nap, his morning nap. I'm trying to fix everything, making sure everything is arranged in the house before he can wake up, guys. Right now I'm fixing my bed. I'm trying not to make too much noise. You guys will see on this video I'm just trying not to make noise because this handsome boy doesn't sleep too long. His nap at least is like 20 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes at least. The most he can do. Yes, is what I'm doing, trying to fix my bed, go downstairs and try to fix my living room. My bathroom need to be clean, guys. All that need to be clean before this handsome boy can wake up. Okay, guys, if this is your first time, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let me know what you guys think. And let me know, guys, what you guys think about this beautiful video, guys. Thank you, guys. Yes, this is me in my bathroom, guys. Try to clean this bathroom before I can go downstairs, guys. Yes, wiping, making sure I can clean everywhere. I need to clean the mirror, clean everywhere, very neat before I go downstairs, guys. It's not easy, but we need to do it. Yes, this is my handsome baby boy. He is up now. He want me to hold him. Now I'm trying to change his diaper, making sure he's okay before I can bring him downstairs. Yeah, I did his milk. He is crying. He's waiting for his milk to drink. My baby boy, he's waiting for his milk. It's me trying to give you the milk. He don't want to drink. He don't want, guys. He don't want to drink his milk. He wants just me to breastfeed him. I don't want to breastfeed him. I went to take his food that I did last night. That's the milk, wasting milk. Now I'm trying to give him the food. You guys see, he don't want the food. He said no. You guys see, right? He don't want the food. I'm trying to calm him down. He don't want. Okay, I said, okay, let me give you a little bit some sugar. Let me give you a little some breast. You guys see that he love it. He hold it with his two hands. start to press it for the milk to come very fast. That is my baby boy. Yep. I'm just thinking. I said, okay, let me stop a little bit, make him eat, because when he eats, at least he's full. He don't need to ask me to breast him all the time. But when I give him food, at least he can be a little bit full. He took at least 3-4 times. He said nope, he don't want it. I breastfeed him again. After that, he was almost ready for bed. I went and put him in his bed and tried to walk slow for him not to wake up. That's my baby boy. And just me coming downstairs, making sure the living room is fixed and clean. We push this table because we want him to play on the floor a little bit at night. Is why this table is a little bit pushed one side. Now it's me making sure everything is back where they belong. In the kitchen, making sure I can arrange everything when it belongs, arrange everything, all the plate that we used last night, and try to clean just a couple plate that the kids eat their breakfast on. This morning, I'm just trying to fix everything, making sure put everything back. Is what I'm doing, guys. Okay guys, it's 12 o'clock now. It's time for my lunch, guys. I'm eating some fufu with the okra soup for my lunch. Is what I'm doing to make sure that breast is coming out, because when you eat like that, your milk come out very good. Yes, is what I'm doing. Eating is so good. Thank you guys. If you guys is not yet subscribed, you like the video, give me a thumbs up, just like the video. That's it. Thank you, beautiful queen. Thank you so much to support my channel. Okay guys, thank you guys. The food is so good. Right now I'm trying to make some noodle soup for the kid. They want something just to like noodle, and I put some macaroni on the fire and boil, and it's ready. I'm trying to I'm putting oil. I'm putting some onions, and I have some capo chicken. I'll put some chicken on it to let it roast it a little bit with the onions a little bit. That's what I'm doing. Try to make him touch the onions. Is what I'm doing. Remove the chicken and cut it little pieces and put it back. That's what I'm doing, guys. Okay, now I'm putting some water. Put the chicken back that I cut. Next, I'm putting some onions, some celery, all that, tomato, garlic, tomato, some spice. Put more water and let the chicken cook, because we need that chicken soup. Okay, I put some onion powder, some another spice to spice that food. Some garlic powder again is what I'm putting. Okay, salt. Okay, I'm done. Try to add more water because we need water. I need more water. Okay, close and let it cook. Go and try to clean the baby, giving a shower to the baby, and my soup is ready, guys. Put the macaroni in. It's ready, guys. Okay, thank you guys so much, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up.